Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error for the Oblivion Remastered for the PC. There are a couple of different solutions, so try not to skip them. The first thing you want to do is go into search, type in Powershell, Windows Powershell, right click on it and say run as administrator. This little box will come up. You want to remove the Microsoft Gaming Services and then basically restart them. So you want to type in remove Microsoft Gaming Services and hit enter, and then get package appxpackage Microsoft.GamingServices. I will put these into the video description below, but basically this will uninstall the gaming services. You reboot your PC and then you reinstall the gaming services. How do you do that? You open up the Microsoft, after rebooted the system, open up the Microsoft Store, search for Xbox app or Xbox or whatever, this Xbox, and then reinstall it and then launch the game. And basically that should fix the issue for most people. The next thing you want to try is to, well, verify the game. So find this in the library, right click on it, go to manage, go to files and click on verify and repair and see if that fixes the issue. So from here, click on browse, go to Oblivion Remastered content, engine content, Oblivion Remastered binaries WinGDK, and then from here you're gonna see this executable. Right click on this and go to properties, and from here click on the compatibility tab, and you want to disable full screen optimizations and run this game as a program as an administrator. Hit apply, hit OK, then launch the game as normal. The next thing you want to do is, of course, turn off the overlays for Steam, Xbox, Discord, all of that good stuff. Make sure all that is off, because who needs overlays, and they tend to like the game anyway. The next thing you want to do is check your network and firewall. So go into Windows Security and virus and threat protection. Go down to manage settings here, turn real-time protection off. Then go back here, go to firewall, network protection, public network, and turn the Microsoft Windows Defender firewall off. And if you have a proxy or a VPN, disable that as well and launch the game. And that should fix the issue. If it did, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Have a nice night.